So we want to add a cool ad like this to our existing search campaign, but we want to do it in Google Ads Editor suites. Well, this is exactly how we do that. So let's get to the suite. So once we're in here, this is the campaign we want to create a new cool ad for. All we're going to do is have our ad group selected here. And then what we want to do is go down to the ads section here. We can see we have an RSA in this ad group already. That is the only ad we have running, but we want to add a cool ad. So we simply just go down a little bit further to cool ads. And what we want to do is go to add cool ad now. We need to add in our information here. So I'm just going to go through and add in some fake numbers just for this example. Cool. So we have that there, phone country. United Kingdom. And then what I like to do is typically just recycle what we had in our main ad here and just put it into our cool ad. So what's it asking for? It's asking for headline 1, headline 2, description 1, description 2, like a typical ad. So let's go 24-hour plumber. And we're just going to go, and we're going to go from our original ad and go headline 1. And then let's see what headline 2 we can do. 1 hour response time guaranteed. That'd be a good headline. Headline 1. And then I'm literally just going back and I'm going to go to the descriptions. Oh, got a spelling mistake there. Copy and paste this. And copy and paste that. And now let's add our final URL, which we use this for example. And it will just do that. Okay, so there we have a cool campaign made, and that's what it's going to look like in the actual campaign. But what we're going to do is post it here, all campaigns. So we're posting this now to set live because we're working offline technically at the moment. And the next thing we're going to do is just go back over to our campaign here. And we're just going to check out what it looks like in our account now. So this is the campaign we created it to. It was 24-hour plumber. And now let's see our ads here. And there we can see we have a cool campaign here, which is really good. So we'll just go through and check it's all working well. Okay, one thing I could add is a display path. So let's do that. We're 24-hour plumber. So there you go. So it's always good to go back and just check you've not missed anything. Probably be good to change that to able group as well for this example. And then using account level call from ads. But yeah, there you go. You now have a cool ad made from your Google Ads editor in the quickest way possible, because the Google Ads platform is really, really slow. So I encourage all of you to use Google Ads editor where you can. All right, that's it for this one, guys. If you want to connect with me on LinkedIn, send me any messages around Google Ads, Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, any sort of paid media advertising, and then feel free to. I'd love to connect with you and answer any questions you may have. All right, thank you guys. See you on the next.